Growing this account from 29 cent, we took a trade on jump 100. We have taken the trade about minutes ago, and by the look, if you check on the 4 hour, you can see it's a reversal. The market is reversing after the market did a very nice wipe above here. So the market was actually on an uptrend, and then as you can see, after that the market did a wipe, and then I've seen the last candlestick that was formed obviously was closing. It just did a small close below the low somewhere here. Just use this one, so it did a close below this low somewhere there, and then the next candlestick that I was following, I was waiting for the market to do a retest. So as you can see, the market was doing a very nice retest on this order block right here. Then I took my sell trade after I see a reversal on 15 minutes. As you can see on the 15 minutes, I was waiting for a reversal from there, and I seen the market made a small dodge right here, and a red candle saying that the market is going down. Then I took my sell trades from right there. So right now I'm waiting for the market to drop more. I'm not really a swing, and I'm just gonna hold for at least, probably I'll see if I can close earlier or I'll hold more, but our target will be right here, which will take us about 8 to 10 hours. So you can see, we'll see what's gonna happen. You can see our account is running pretty better, so we're just gonna see what happens. And we have also a better opportunity on volatility 10, on jump 10. You can see jump 10 is like right here, and also on a daily you can see it's just trying to pull back because it was on a very deep downtrend. And on a 4 hour, you can see it's dropping. You could have taken that sell right there, so it just spiked down. You can see just right now, so it's dropping, and we expect it to drop, and then it has to take liquidity below all this, has to go down, and probably would have taken massive sales. You can see we taken massive sales like this, and then the next one is going to pull really down for the next hours. Probably you can take up to somewhere right here, but because we're already on the other trade, we cannot take this one. So let's see how the market gonna play out. Okay, so you can see we are running at $1.50, and we've closed, and now we are taking few sell trades on jump 75. I don't know how much we can take here, but yeah, let's just take full margin. Let's go on. Basically, we can only run with 2 positions on this one, and as you can see, we have just made a break of structure. After the market was going down, we made a break of structure right on this candlestick here. So the market break the structure, went back up to retest this big supply or an order block. So right now we expect the price to drop massively. So we don't have really a high target, but we can target as closer as this one. And if we go on a 4 hour, seems like we can also hold for quite a longer period. We can probably just also get our TP right here, but I'm not sure. I might close earlier, or I might hold for more profits. But you can see these ones, if they do just a simple spike upward, will be really in massive losses, or might just be cut out. But let's see how the market plays out. And you can see we are still running at a few coins, so let's see how the market is gonna play out. Added one more position just to see if we can get anything from this trade here. So the account is already small, so basically just a do or die. There is not much nothing fancy here, so we just hope it will spike down and then reach our foreseen TPs. So basically they are very big TPs, but I don't think I can hold that far because I'm really not that person who can hold for a million years. So I can only probably hold for as long as an hour or something. But let's see, because this is for a tutorial purpose. I will try stick to the rules. As you can see, after about an hour or so, I mean about few minutes, you can see the market is just somewhere there. So I'm thinking it might do something stupid somewhere there. So I'm closing this positions now, and we are running at a $4. So we're just gonna look for something we can do, and we're looking at this buy here, the buy on on boom 500, and I'm just gonna put one small position here, and I'm considering that the market will give us probably 2-3 spikes at this other block right here. So it's quite tricky here. You can see the market has been on that trend, and now we have actually reached this area where the market was rejected a couple of times, and we are on a daily time frame. So I'm thinking there is still a possibility for the market to go up. So if the market can be rejected here again, we'll probably take our buys up because the market did not break the structure going down, since the market had already made a break of structure going up right here. So that retest will be valid, and then we expect the market to go high. But also, if we go on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that after the market made enough high lows and high highs, the market break structure right there, and we did not see any retest. So basically we can get any retest sooner, and in the meantime, while we are actually running in this trade is gonna be small, and our stop loss is going to be probably around $1.50 or so. In the meantime, we're also looking at volatility 150s. As you can see, volatility 150s is right now on an uptrend. So the daily is still on this range consolidation and stuffs, but we can see that few days ago it broke this structure going to the downside. That's a market break of structure, and then it retested on a daily OB right here. So we are looking for quite good sales right here. As you can see, we can make this as small as possible. So we are looking to go down now, and there are pretty a lot of other blocks here. We have this area where the market is right now. That's a pretty nice order block. So I'd not expect the market to go high to this one. So I can take my sell position right here and see what we can get from this market. I'll just probably I'll just take one. I'm just putting this lot size. I will make it a bit smaller since our account is small. I'll take that one sell there. Let me measure my TP. My stop loss will be around $2, and our TP will be coming down there. So let's see what's gonna happen, and let's see what you can get from this type of trades. Stop loss around $1 or something. TP probably 10, but less. So let's see how the market gonna play out. We have been stopped out of boom 500. So you can see it did not spike yet, but obviously it will spike soon, but we cannot get in no more because we are stopped out. So we are still running in negative to few cents in volatility 150, and I'm thinking of adding one more position. So let me just measure our losses first. So right, if we go up to here, we'll be in a dollar loss. So basically I want to calculate how many more I can add. So we can add about one more position at 0.04 lot. So that will be better for our risk management. And let's see, our stop loss could be like, let me say, above this high here, which will be like a dollar, and will be, our account will be gone because of 2 positions running. So far we are still running good. Let's see how the market is going to do and what is going to give us in the next few minutes. We have a balance of $8.87. We are going to look for a trade, and I was looking for a trade here, but nothing really giving me anything. So we cannot trade everything. Right now. So we can try trading only the pairs that can give us better profits. I'm looking at step index, so we are just going through with you. So I'm looking at step index on all this time frame. So you can see on the daily it's going down, it's bearish, but as bearish is concerned, we also have this big order block right now, or big demand. So that means the market might be rejecting on this and heading upward, so people can still take buy trades from there. So scaling down to a slower small time frame, it's like zooming in. As you can see, we have a really nice move here. So let me just zoom to 1 hour and I'll show you exactly what happened. So the market started doing structure break. The market did this change of character here, the change of character right here, and then it retested on this demand right here. So after that demand, the market is heading up, going for a buy side. And if you can take a buy and target, we're just gonna target an area above there. So let me just take this one. You can target this area right here for our TP, or somewhere here for our TP. So basically I can just take a small sell here. So you can see this is small buy. This is very volatile. We don't need to take a lot of trades because it will really wipe our account clean. And our stop loss is, you can see it's already bigger than, if you put our stop loss here, it's already in $9, in $3.90. So we really have to be careful with this type of trade. So I don't want to lose more than $4 because I want to at least leave few amount. And if you check on a smart time frame, you can see a contradiction right here. The market is pushing down, so that's exactly what gonna kill us. So let's see. I'm just gonna check for the next 3 minutes and see what's gonna happen. If we can get the market to go up, it will be fun. But if the market start plummeting down, we will obviously close. I'll just put a stop loss of 330 down here, and I'll push my TP up. We'll just probably put it somewhere here. It's $40, but that's far. I'm not sure we cannot reach there sooner. So let's see what's gonna happen. It's not good, but we also entered free trades here on jump 50, hoping to catch. You can see on a daily has to like really push down. Daily has to push down. As you can see, it's just pushing down, and you can see the 4 hour is also pushing down. So I ended few sells there, and at this we are still running. I put my stop loss at the $2.80 just to keep us safe, man. We cannot lose the whole account. But in fact, if this step in, I mean, if this jump index just spike upward, obviously we're gonna lose almost the whole account because it's highly volatile. Just one spike, we are really gonna be out of this market in just just minutes. So, but it's a very nice rejection. It's a very nice rejection candlestick from this. You can see this is a very huge order block, and as you can see on a 1 minute, the candlestick was just retapping on that order block, and after retapping there, so we actually going there. So let's see what gonna happen in a minute. Okay, we took a big loss on this. This is step in the, I mean, this is crash 500. So you can see crash 500 is the same place as yesterday. We have this area here of major support and resistance, and the market was rejected. So you can see this on a weekly time frame, and then on a daily we can see the market, it seems like it's making, let me adjust my light, it's making few rejections up there. So I'm thinking the market is still going down, but in the meantime we are losing a lot of cash that we made. And as you can see on a 1 hour, it seems like on 1 hour it's rejecting this area right here. So that means we are not good, so we are just going to close, and probably the market is going up and is trying to reverse from this. It's probably going to reverse on this other block on the 30-minute, because even on a 15 here there is nothing significant, there is just this minor. And if I go on another time frame, there is nothing I can talk about here. So the market is still, I'm here, I might lose a lot because I'm waiting for it to break above that small thing I have highlighted there. So if it break above that, so if it break above it, I'm closing. That will be maybe a loss, gonna be a bigger loss around $12. Lucky enough, we just got that spike going down, so you can see we are running in bigger profits. So the market did not close going above that, so we are looking at the market going down. As you can see, we are like looking like this, so we still anticipate the market is going down, because you can see the 1 hour will finish soon. We have less than 30 minutes to 1 hour, and if I'm on a 30-minute time frame, you can see how the market looks like on a 30 minutes. So that means that candlestick will complete, really it's obviously going down. Let me just, okay, let me show you something. It's obviously going down, breaking this low. That's going to be a break of structure, BOS, and then the market will shoot down. Okay, we have been holding really big loss, but it's just because I ended almost full margin on this. But as you can see, it was a precise. I will just probably put the history, so I'll show you exactly where I've ended. You can see where I put my entry, just right here, and then the market now is having that bigger candlestick. So I'm hoping the market will still crash and crash. The name is crash 500, so hopefully we're gonna get a lot of crashes from this area. So let's see what's gonna happen. We might close if nothing is happening, but so far we are not just going to go with $33 whatever profit. We're just gonna hold a little bit for some more profits. We have a target. Our target is actually down here, which I never reached. Our target is down here, but usually I don't really hold to targets. I just get profit and I'm out of the trade. So let's see what's gonna happen and I'll update you. I want to see really a big move, like a really crash. Probably I should just show you the size. I want to see a crash that like something like this, and then the 1 hour will complete looking like the market is going down. Otherwise, if the hour is completing like this, then we have nothing. Plus I also took a losing trade almost somewhere here, and as you can see I took this trade on volatility 100s. I just took a small trade. The stop loss is just $1.66. As you can see, let me just go on a day, and you can, if I can zoom on a daily, the daily is like the market has been rejected by this big daily order block. That's a daily OB, and zooming in on 1 hour, you can see a little bit of consolidation right there, but the market was also just consolidating around this area of an inner OB. So the market was moving in and forth, but you can observe the rejections of these candlesticks, or the market might from there break out going up, and we can target that area there if we can hold. But you know me already, I can hold up to that area. We can target that. So basically the market is heading that. I only put one entry, and I'm thinking maybe I should just make them two entry. What is the big deal now? We are already losing on the other one, but we have to trust our analysis sometimes. So this one will be big, so our losses will be around $4 or something. So let's just see what happens. As you can see, crash has just made a crash. That's exactly what I was talking about, but it doesn't satisfy me. You can see we are running in pretty better profit. It doesn't satisfy me yet. So crash has to show us the direction, because this is an hour candlestick I was looking at. This is an hour candlestick, and an hour candlestick, for it to complete, we want to see a direction when the market is heading. The market is on a downtrend, so the market should show us that it's on a downtrend. It should crash going down, giving us that momentum of a downtrend. So this consolidation was just usually based on these rejections here, and after those rejections are done, the market will plummet going down, and those one who can take big risks will go for really a low area. Probably this area right here is where they're gonna target for their TPs and stuff. But for us, we are just scalping for minutes. Like for me, I can't really hold these things, guys. You know, I can't hold this type of trades. I'm usually just in and out. But I would love to make a video where I can hold, but my nature is not a person who can hold. So we have about few profits. I'm not sure if crash can give us anything else, but we have around 3 minutes to the time. We have 3 minutes to the time. We're just gonna wait for that 3 minutes, and if that 3 minutes complete, we will obviously close our profit. Maybe we'll be having like $4 profit or $3 something, I don't know, but let's just see. And also let's just observe what's gonna happen to this one. This is 100s, and 100s, if you go on 1 hour, you can already see the direction of the 1 hour candlestick. So basically the next candlestick just gonna pull in, give us few drawdown, and then push up to see where it's gonna head. But let's see. We have about 2 minutes for the hour to complete. We are looking at the time. I'm not sure if you can see it, but we are looking at the time right here on the corner. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, that's where I'm looking at. So we have about 2 minutes for the hour to complete, and we want to see the hour completing, giving us a direction. Let's see. We have these minutes. Let's see what happens. 1 hour is complete, and we can see this one is just somewhere here, but this one haven't gone anywhere. So it's basically still right here after the completion of 1 hour, and our profit is declined massively, and we are right now down here. And if I'm just to check, let me just delete this one. If I'm to check the hour candlestick, probably let's zoom into 30-minute candlestick. It's not really something bad, not really something bad at all. So being greedy sometimes will obviously make you lose coins, but we're still heading down. We have that 4 hour. That 4 hour is obviously going to kiss down there, and I'm not really in the mood of like removing this type of positions. Like I'll probably just be good losing like $1 or I mean like $2 something. I'll just probably put my stop loss just above this highs here. Like there is no really need for me to like close this when I can see the direction. And if I'm wrong, I'll be wrong. I can't be right all the time. You guys have been trading here, and a lot of trades we took today were correct, so I can't be correct all the time. So I will obviously lose money here and then. But at least we have trying to grow this account from 29 cents, and now we are at least we are close to 20. As you can see, we have just crushed. That's exactly what I was talking about, and we made better profits. Let's just see. I don't know why my MT5 fridges most of the time. You can see we made a very big crash. So you can check on 1 hour. This nice, very nice, and we are running in massive profits of around $9, and we have enough equity running close to 25. And now we are satisfied with our crash 500. We are satisfied with our crash 500. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna close everything here on crash 500 because we can't ask for more. We got what we want here. Let me just close back, and you can actually close by that, or you can just go at these 3 dots right here. Let me just show you. You can just choose these 3 dots right here, guys. So if you go on those 3 dots, it's obviously gonna ask you to close like long position, close profitable positions, and close losing positions. So this one actually will just give you 3 options, but you don't want to close all those things. You only want to close the positions of these. If you are somebody who cannot, like, you want to hold, you can still hold, guys. You can still hold this up to somewhere right here, because it's really going to crash more and more. It's just a matter of that I'm not somebody who can hold, so our equity is running at actually 10 USD, and I'm not somebody who can close as fast as somebody who can hold. Somebody who can close faster. So let's just close our trade on crash 500. Okay, we are done with crash 500. Now we are going to probably see if we can milk few coins out of this little thing here. You can see the daily, you cannot reach there today, because you can see, guys, we cannot reach there, and I'm somebody who cannot hold for a million years. I'm just gonna hold for a few seconds, because I'm just showing you exactly what happens